Miguel here with a quick video. Video is on mosquito bits. This is my garden here in Las Vegas, and we've been getting a lot of mosquito news. So as a preventative measure, using mosquito bits, I was using mosquito dunks in the water trays of my plants. And pretty much what I do over here is I just take this tablespoon and I scoop a scoop or two, put it on the watering trays so that when the sprinkler goes on, the mosquito bits are in the water so that there's no standing water. This right here, that's a mosquito dunk. Went with the mosquito bits because I think it's going to be an easier thing to put all around the water trays. But if you guys are wondering what people are using for mosquito control, that's what I'm using. Thanks for watching.